Hey guys, it's Bonnie from Boulder Bond. Welcome back. Today I'm going to be setting up my July bullet journal. I am so excited to start July. I'm using my Leuchtturm 1917. I also pulled out a bunch of stickers. Of course, I'm going to be using my July bullet journal kit from my shop. I also have some washi tape here, a pen, and some July stickers from Erin Condren that I'll play around with. So let's go ahead and get started. Now, the first thing I want to do is add a decal to the front of my bullet journal. I've been coming out with tons of decals in my shop lately, and I've been meaning to add one to the front of my cover, but totally forgot until you guys started doing it and tagged me on Instagram. I'm so happy you guys are adding them to your cover. So I chose the Sweet Cakes and Bonbon Marquee. These come in tons of different colors. I just thought I'd go do like a blue on blue. I'm not always matchy, but I just thought that looked really nice. And then I just wrote my name, Bonnie, of course, and then I thought it looked really cute in the right-hand corner. Now I also am not going to be changing up this month's setup page. It's pretty much going to remain the same. I did want to flip you through June though. There are a few things that I needed to finish up, so I thought that I would show you drawing the last 2 days in my June doodle challenge. I mean, I am filming this on the 28th. No, yeah, the 28th. This video should be up on the 29th. So I thought I would finish off the couple of doodles that I have left for yesterday and for today. And then I will finish off the last 2 days. And then I think what I will do with the extra 2 boxes is write a quote. I think I'll do that because I've been really enjoying trying to hand letter, so I might come up with something fun to hand letter in the bottom right hand corner. If you guys want to see that, follow me on Instagram. A lot of times I will actually do an Instagram story so you guys can see it live in action. So I'm just finishing up here with Friday. Haha, funny. That is funny. It is actually Friday. So I'm just drawing a little basket of fries, and then I decided to put Boulder Bond logo right in the middle of the fries. I just thought that was super cute. So I'm just filling it in. A lot of times I forget that I shouldn't actually use my black marker to fill it in until I actually color, because you guys can see, especially with the yellow will drag the black line around a bit. So I might actually use some colored pencils next month. Someone had suggested them in my Facebook group, and they said that they glide on really nicely with my matte vinyl, although these Tombow pens really glide really nice with the vinyl as well. I feel like almost everything works with the matte vinyl. So I'm also finishing up my tracker here. This one is my mood tracker. Now, what I have been finding a lot lately with the mood tracker, I absolutely love doing it and coloring it in and keeping track of my moods. But I found that I actually like to do it all in one bulk. So what I decided to try this month is actually use the little bar that I have to keep track of all of the days, and actually just color in each one of those little squares, and then come back and actually fill all of the colors in after the fact. And I absolutely loved doing it this way. So I will definitely continue to do it that way for next month. Now, I didn't fill in my loves of the month because I do like to keep this page blank so you guys don't actually see what they are in case I do a video. So I may still do one for you guys. I also have all of my new releases, tons of them for the month of June. I have been coming out with lots and lots of new stuff. So let's go ahead and get started with July's bullet journal setup. I'm just so in love with how July's bullet journal turned out. So in the middle of the page here, I have a sunflower with the red, white, and blue, and then stars in between that say July, of course. And then I also wrote a little quote, and I thought this was perfect for July. It says, "Laughter is the fireworks of the soul." And I absolutely, totally agree with that quote. Now, moving on to my monthly calendar, these stickers come on 2 very large sticker sheets. So I like to turn the bullet journal around so that I can place them down against the lines. I just find it helps really guide the stickers down, and that way I don't put them down crooked. And then I'm going to put down the other side. You guys can see there are a few things on here. Now, if you guys buy these in the shop, I'm not going to have those things on there. So it has my $2 Tuesday, new releases, and then when my bundles ship. So they're just things that I already know that I want to do for my Etsy store. Now, the next thing I'm going to put down is my July Doodle Challenge. Guys, I am so happy that I started the Doodle Challenge. I remember when I first started, it was so scary because I'm not actually the best doodler. When I draw, I like to be like, well, I'm a perfectionist when I'm drawing. So I'm like always making like the perfect line, the perfect shape, and all that stuff. So this has really helped me to get more creative and just let loose and draw like super easy, simple design. And the best part really is seeing all of your guys's doodles, and especially seeing you guys interact with each other. I absolutely love it. So I'm working on my tracker now. The tracker sheet does come with a couple different options. You guys can have it blank like I do here, or you can actually customize your own headers, so they can already come printed with whatever you like inside the headers. I keep meaning to do that for myself each month. Of course, I always forget, so I'm just writing in all the things that I want to track this month. Sometimes it does change, but this is pretty much the same as I did last month, except I did write in pool because I do want to make a point to go to the pool as often as I can. So I did put it on my tracker, and I think that that would be really fun to keep track of. So I'm moving on to my mood mandala. And then I'm also going to grab my sticker book with all of my stickers in it. All of my stickers fit inside the new binders that I came out with my shop. If you guys want to see a video on me setting up my sticker binder, let me know down below because I really don't have it organized right now, and I do plan on doing that. So I thought that you guys might want to see how I'm organizing all of my stickers now. So I'm just filling in all the moods that I'm going to be tracking this month. Like I said, I'm actually going to draw all of the mood mandala later. Maybe I'll do that for you guys at the start of next month because it is really fun to do all at one time. And then you guys also saw I did a circle on upset and then lines through it. I think that'll be fun to try and do throughout the month as well, although I don't get upset very often, so we'll see how it turns out. Now, moving on to my loves of the month, I thought it would be perfect to choose the rainbow decal in my shop, and actually this is free with everybody's order this week starting from Tuesday to Sunday, so you guys have a couple more days to get this free with your order. This is in celebration of Pride Month, so love is love, and I thought that would be perfect to celebrate my loves of the month. And then the last page here is for my new releases, so I'm just using my sunflower decal and then wrote in July, and then of course my new releases that I like to keep track of in my bullet journal. Now, I do plan on using a couple of the end pages for actual gratitude journal, so if you guys want to see a glimpse of that, follow me on Instagram. I like to show those on there. So I hope you guys enjoyed a look at my bullet journal setup. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!